Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. A company reached out to me and they're called HOTO or HOTO, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, and they offered me one of 3 different devices to do a review on, and I chose the cordless screwdriver because the one I've got is rubbish. I've got a cordless screwdriver that's literally as heavy as my drill, so I might as well use my drill, and it doesn't hold a charge. So I thought this would be perfect. Before I said yes to anything, I laid out my terms, and my terms are always, if I don't like the product, I will be telling you I don't like the product. They can choose whether to let me release that video, so you often won't see videos on my channel where I'm very disappointed with a video, with an item, because 9 times out of 10 they say, look, just keep the product and, you know, don't bother releasing it. I'm fine with doing that. I just won't lie about a product. I don't see the point. My subscriber count is much more important than a cordless drill. Do you know what I mean? So, a cordless screwdriver, I mean. So, yeah. So that's all the blurb out the way. In a minute, we're going to have a little look at this and a little test and see. And I'll take a few bits and pieces apart after we've had a little look at it and an unboxing and so on. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my Patreons. You guys are awesome. And the fact that you've helped me during like our chats on WhatsApp and so on, it really is appreciated. You guys are absolutely awesome. But thank you so much. I really do mean that. Anyway, if you'd like to join them and join us having chats and a bit of a giggle, then pop down in the description. There's a link to Patreon there. If you can't afford to do that and you need to reach out, just send me a message or an email. I'm always going to respond. It's not, you know, you don't have to pay to talk. It's, you know, it's not like that. If you ever need help, just give us a shout. Anyway, let's get on. Right, so this is the HOTO or HOTO electric screwdriver. It is 3.6 volts. It's cordless. It's Type-C charging. It has 25 S2-Steel bits, and it's 1,500 milliamp hours, which apparently is up to 800 times unscrewing or screwing in things, and it can be used as a manual screwdriver or electric. Enough nonsense, let's get in and have a look at it, shall we? Have a look through that in a sec. So far, quite well packaged. This feels absolutely chunky. This feels really like well engineered. This is all metal with a plastic bottom, it feels. Oh, look at that. Okay, now I quite like that. That feels really nice actually. That's heavy as well. Whereas the screwdriver in itself is not very heavy. All of the like packaging and everything is. Right, okay, just from feel alone at the moment, this has got like a silicone feel to it. It's quite nice. It's got quite a nice grip to it, but it feels pretty well made actually. I was a bit concerned that it might be cheap Chinese stuff, but this does feel very well made. This is very heavy, and I'm assuming this is magnetic. Oh, again, inside there, this is all silicone as well. This is all like rubber or silicone or whatever. And are they magnetic? No, I think that's just fit because it's tight silicone, but this will be... Oh, even comes with a little knobbly bit over the top. Come on. Cool, that's you can hear how well that is, how well that's suctioned in. Right, okay. What I'm going to do, like with everything, I'm going to get this fully charged to give it a proper, genuine review. But so far, that to me feels really, really well made. I genuinely like this open and closey boxy bit. It's got a little handle as well, a little hold up thing. So yeah, this feels really nice actually, genuinely nice. Is that going to fall out? Nope. If you shake it, it probably will. Okay, as I say, I'm going to get this charged and I will be back. I was just going to go and start charging it up and I realised there was no charging cable, and I thought that was really weird, but there's something in the bottom here, so I think that's going to be... I think I might have opened it up the wrong end, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, so we have a charging cable. I was going to say that was a bit weird that it didn't have one, to be honest. As a little pack, it looks pretty nice, and I genuinely do think that this all feels very nice. This actually reminds me of the other one that I bought myself recently, which is the precision version, but it's not got the same sort of grip. I think actually I prefer the grip on this one because it feels much more like, you know, it's solid in your hand, if that makes sense. But I suppose this one's precision, so you're not gonna, it shouldn't slip as much as, you know, something with more torque. But I'm gonna fully charge it and I will be back. While it's charging, it's got a light that's on and off. I love this. This is so small, but that was just like using my drill. The amount of tension I've got there, I couldn't have got from any, you know, my drill wouldn't have done any better. And it's tiny, and it lasts forever. Like, you charge it and it's just, that's it, done. So far I've only ever had to charge it once. Done. What I also love is it's got a little light in it. I'm trying to show you, but, and it's, you know how sometimes you get a really bright light with like a drill or something. This is not, as you'll see when I shine it directly towards it, so it doesn't reflect off everything. Like, you know, you're not getting blinded by it, which really works well for this. Okay, I really love it. I think it's really, really good. I love the fact that the light is just bright enough to, like, not just bright enough, that sounded wrong. It's bright enough so that you can see what you're doing. Sometimes they put a super high-powered LED there, and it just shines on everything, and you know, it makes it worse in some cases. But the fact that it does exactly what you want. It's got loads more torque than I thought it would. You know, I thought we were going to have something in between my mini one and my drill. I thought it was going to be, you know, but it works. It works really, really well. The case and the actual case it comes in, I think, is amazing. I really like that design. It keeps it all, you know, cleared away and nice. Also, the bits that it comes with are very high grade, which I was shocked by as well, because normally if you get a good item you tend to have, you know, you're let down a bit by the bits that it comes with. But they, you know, I had one a few years ago that literally you just tried to unscrew something and it would just shear everything off and you just have a point left and the screw wouldn't have moved, you know. All the links and codes and all that stuff are in the description, so if you like it, please do pop down there and have yourself a look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my patrons, and if you'd like to join them, pop down in the description and follow the links, etc. Thanks again. Bye for now.